Hey Texas Barbecue, today I want to introduce to you an amazingly new partnership we have with Lifespace. And what they do is provide all the utensils that we use every day. Everything is heavy and you're just not going to be disappointed. From pink butcher paper to thermometers to knives. And this stuff is great, and this isn't even all of them. All the products they have would probably fit on about 3 or 4 tables. So what I need you to do, go to Texas Barbecue, find your promo code TBBQ and get 5% off your purchase. Hey Texas Barbecue, I'll see you next time.